This is a brand new 2013 Mazda CX-9. It features a 3.7-liter six-cylinder engine and a 6-speed automatic transmission. Its top features include a multi-link rear suspension, a navigation system, a rear-view camera, a low-tire pressure indicator, 100% commercial-free Sirius satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and traction control and stability control systems. The following features are also included: a moonroof, heated front seats, cruise control, leather seats, a rear spoiler, an illuminated driver's side vanity mirror, 12-volt power outlets, rear impact crumple zones, air conditioning with automatic climate control, and an anti-theft protection system. This vehicle is sure to sell fast. Call and arrange your test drive today.
Mazda of Mesquite is located at 15900 LBJ Freeway in Mesquite. Our goal is to exceed all of your expectations to ensure that you'll return for future visits.